Hi everybody, it's Bruce here with Traveling with Bruce. Welcome to TWB. Thank you for subscribing to my channel, giving my videos thumbs ups, hitting the bell notification icon. I really appreciate it. Today's video is all about the Carnival Elation cruise ship. She's got engine problems and she has been diverted to Nassau in the Bahamas. By the way, thank you and welcome to Sail Pack. If you're looking on going on to a cruise in the near future, check out the link down below. They've got all kinds of neat gear that you can take with you on a cruise. Now, the Carnival Elation is in Nassau. She arrived there the other day. She had left Port Canaveral on the 21st of September. This is the 23rd. She's supposed to be in Amber Cove right now, and tomorrow is supposed to go to Grand Turk. This is not going to happen. The ship has had propulsion issues, and they've been working on her since yesterday. She's supposed to leave tomorrow. She's going to overnight in Nassau and work her way right back to Port Canaveral. The passengers on board have been given a $100 cabin credit plus a 50% credit towards a future cruise as an apology from Carnival. All of the systems on board the ship work, so the pools are fine, the food is fine, the air conditioning works, toilets work, everything works, but the ship is just under reduced power. The Carnival was built, Elation, in 1998. She holds 2,500 passengers, 980 crew, and the last time she was refurbished was 2017, so she might be getting a little long in the tooth. In the next 2 years, she might be retired. We'll have to watch it. Thanks again to SailPack. Welcome to the TWB family. Hit the link down below to check out all of the sail gear that you can get from SailPack on your next cruise. You'll get 10% off from SailPack if you link through my connection down below. Check it out. Again, the Carnival Elation is in Nassau. She'll be leaving tomorrow to go back to Port Canaveral. How bad the engine problem is, we don't know. We'll keep an eye on it. Thanks for joining me. This is Bruce with Traveling with Bruce saying bye for now.